What's up, what's up, what's up? Today I'm going to show you guys how to install your lashes. Yes, quick and easy. First, you're going to need a tweezer. You could get this from any local store. Here, just a store. Then you're going to need some lashes. I got this from Amazon. That's where I bought this. But you could get it from your hair store. You're going to need some glue. Yeah, this is the 3D lashes glue. It said safer and stronger. I got this from my local store. I'm going to show you guys how to install your lashes quick and easy. Like if you have like an event coming up and you didn't get to go and do your lashes, you could do it at home. You could clip it off. If you're going to clip it, make sure you clip on the corner of the shortest part. Okay, you're going to put some of the glue on the lash. Yeah, you're going to put a little bit. You don't want to put too much. You could actually use a mirror to like look to make sure it's closer. I normally use like a mirror to make it closer. So I'm going to look in my mirror. When you look in your mirror, you should look down so that you get it. Then you're going to use a tweezer to clamp it down. Okay? You don't want to make it be like all the way down, because then it will be like so heavy on your eyes and it will feel like it's sticking you. That's me. I don't know, you could be different, but that's how I feel like when it's like too much down. After you do that one, you're gonna do the other one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me if it works for you or if it did not work for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's Shav_China G. That's Shav_China G. Yeah, you're gonna do the next one the same way. Right, so I use this and I look down and I put it on. Make sure you do one corner first and then you do the other corner. You're just gonna use a tweezer to clamp it to get it nice, neat, and so that it doesn't fall off. That's basically what you're doing. Make sure that both of them are even. Then you could always use a pencil to go over it to like make a wing or something over it. Okay guys, so tune in and let me know if you like it. Simple, easy way how to install your lashes.